You can affix your spotlight to either side attachment bay. To install, fasten the screws on the bracket of the spotlight into the holes on the body of your drone. Remove the USB-C cover on the attachment bay of your drone. Insert the USB-C cable from your spotlight into your drone. Before flying, set the angle of your spotlight to suit the type of mission you will be flying. Once in flight, you can control your spotlight inside Skydio flight deck. For more information about your Skydio X10 system, visit us at skydio.com/support.